accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada. This court
All right, this man obviously has serious emotional control issues, and I do not agree with his behavior because of that. But let me introduce you to a judge that does 100% deserve this sort of reaction. Meet Judge Jeff Davis, the magistrate judge in the 7th Circuit Court in Rapid City, South Dakota from 1979 to 2019. The only reason he is not still presiding is because he was forced to retire once he turned 70 years old due to South Dakota laws. For the 40 years he served, this judge intentionally separated Native children from their parents with no due process of law and under trumped-up charges. While Davis usually sat at the judge's bench, he also found himself on the other side of the courtroom after being sued for his decisions and practices. Several years ago, a federal judge ordered him and other 7th Circuit judges to give more rights to Native American parents during 48-hour child removal hearings. According to Davis, he's always tried to be fair, open-minded, and listen to everything. However, in the court case against him, Judge Viken said that Judge Davis and other defendants failed to protect Indian parents' fundamental rights to a fair hearing, and that Indian children, parents, and tribes deserve better. Judge Viken found that Davis's policies allowed him to rubber stamp the removal of hundreds of Indian children. Quote, in 100% of the 48-hour hearings conducted by Judge Davis from January 2010 to July 14, he granted motions by the state's attorney and the Department of Social Services for continued custody of all Indian children involved. Guess how I know the truth of this? My son and I experienced this in 2012. Congress enacted the Indian Child Welfare Act in 1978 in response to high numbers of Indian children being placed in foster care and adoption away from their tribal roots. However, judges like this are still ensuring that the genocide against our people remains in effect to this day. When Davis retired, he claimed that he loved the challenge of being judge. He liked helping people and solving problems and conducting research. I wonder if he conducted research that Rapid City is still legally, historically, and ancestrally the sole land of the Lakota, Dakota, and Nakota nations. Yeah, Rapid City was illegally established upon our homelands. I bet you 100% he knew that. And that what he's doing in court was a continuation of the cultural and physical genocide of our people. I guarantee you, if I had known what he was going to do to me and my child, I would have jumped over that bench too.